Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest on Marley Boulevard towards Gaylads Circle in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. On the right is Gaylads Avenue. Turning off Marley Boulevard onto Gaylads Circle. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, is named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre. And Gaylads Circle is named after the Gaylads Vocal Group. Again, just ahead is Gaylads Avenue. Turning off Gaylads Circle onto Marley Boulevard. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.